One woman actually came for a second opinion. This woman had disease everywhere. She had it in her liver, she had it in her bones, and she had it in her lungs. She was told the prognosis was 18 months.
Dr. Robin Zahn is focused on one thing.
I said, okay, this is what we're going to do.
Beating cancer and nothing else.
And so together, we went down this journey. And the first time I told her her cancer appeared to be in a complete remission, she was very happy, but she was also stunned. It was the last thing that she expected. Doctor, can you say it again? Absolutely, I can say it 15 times if you'd like me to. I'll say it as often as you'd like.
The specialists at Michiana Hematology Oncology's Advanced Centers for Cancer Care.
Somebody who 15 years ago had a survival of 18 months is still alive and is cancer-free.
We're beating cancer.
When folks ask, does anybody ever beat this? I can say yes.
Michiana Hematology Oncology's Advanced Centers for Cancer Care.
They can beat it.
Find out how at theheartofcancercare.com.